Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today I will show you how to delete Snapchat data without deleting account. Let's go. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Then tap on your Bitmoji profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Clear Data. Once you find it, tap on it. So now you have the option to clear a bunch of things. You can clear conversations, contact data, lenses, photo shoot snaps, search history, scan history, voice scan history, sticker searches, autofill shopping history, top locations, and finally the ability to clear cache. You can tap on any one of these to clear that specific thing. For example, I can tap Clear Cache and tap Clear to simply clear the cache. So this is exactly how you delete Snapchat data without deleting your account. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.